Good morning, children. Myself, Mrs. Lakshmi. Today, we are going to start the first chapter of the activity book of Magic Lamps and Genies. So, children, let me explain you this passage. A good imagination gone wrong. If you have finished your lesson, Annie, I want you to run over and ask Mrs. Barry if she'll lend me Dinah's apron pattern. So, Marilla, she says, Annie, that you just go to Mrs. Barry's house and you get me Dinah's apron pattern. Oh, it's too dark, cried Annie. What Annie says? No, I'm not going to go. It's too dark. Too dark? Why? It's only twilight, and goodness knows you have gone over often even enough after dark. Then what Marilla says that no, why are you saying it is dark? Because it is just now evening, and many times you have gone even during the night. I'll go over early in the morning, says Annie eagerly. What Annie says that I am going to go in the morning. Now I am feeling scared. I won't go. I'll get up at sunrise and go over, Marilla. Then she says that Marilla, I am going to get up early in the morning and then I am going to go. What has gone into your head now, Annie shrilly? I want that pattern to cut out your new apron this evening. Go at once and start again. So what Marilla says that no, Annie, I want the apron pattern just now. So you have to go now and bring that from Barry's house. I'll have to go around by road then, said Annie, taking up her hat reluctantly. What Annie says that then I am going to go through the road, and because I am not going to go through the woods. Go by the road and waste half an hour. Why on earth would you do that? Then Marilla says that why you are going to go by road? You are going to waste so much of time. I can't go through the haunted wood, Marilla, cried Annie desperately. What Annie says that no, I am not going to go through the woods. I am feeling scared. Marilla stared. Marilla looked at her. The haunted wood? Are you crazy? What is the name of heaven in the haunted wood? Marilla says, haunted wood? What are you saying? There is nothing of this sort. The spruce wood over the brook, said Annie in a whisper. Annie says that there is the wood which is supposed to be haunted. Fiddlesticks! There is no such thing as a haunted wood anywhere. Who has been telling you such stuff? Then Marilla gets angry and says, why are you thinking all this? Who is telling you that it is a haunted wood? Nobody, confessed Annie. Annie says that nobody has told me. Dinah and I just imagined the wood was haunted, and all the place around there are so. So what she says, Annie says that myself and Dinah, we had imagined that the woods was haunted. So commonplace. We just thought this up for our own amusement, and we thought it for our own amusement. We began it in the April. A haunted wood is so very romantic. What she says that we were thinking about this wood as haunted, and it is very nice to think about that. Marilla, we chose the spruce grove because it's so gloomy. It is very gloomy over there. That's why we chose that spruce grove. Oh, we have imagined the most horrifying things, and we were imagining the most horrifying things means the डरावनी आप बोल सकते हैं. Horrifying means डरावनी. There's a white lady walks along the brook just about this time of the night and wrings her hands and utters wailing cries. She says that there is a lady over there. What she does about this time after she comes out at this time of the night, and she waves her hand and utters wailing cries. माने रोती है वो. She appears when there is no death in the family. और वो कब आती है? जब कोई परिवार में डेथ होने वाले हैं. And the ghost of a little murdered child haunts the corner of idle world. It creeps up behind you and lays its cold finger on your hand. So, ओह मारिला, इट गिव्स मी अ शडर टू थिंक आउट. और वो अपनी बोलती है कि किस तरह से वहाँ पर भूत रहते हैं, और ये सोच कर वो कहती है कि मुझे तो डर लगता है मेरिला जब मैं ये सब सोचती हूँ. एंड देयर इज़ अ हेडलेस मैन स्टॉक्स अप एंड डाउन द पाथ एंड स्केलेटन्स ग्लोवर. ग्लोवर का मतलब होता है स्टेयर एट यू. स्केलेटन्स तुम्हारी तरफ देखते रहते हैं. between the boughs. Oh, Marilla, I wouldn't go through the haunted wood after dark now for anything. और वो कहती है कि मैं नहीं जाऊंगी वहाँ पर. I'd be sure that the white things would reach out from beyond the trees. और मुझे डर लगता है कि कोई मुझे पीछे से आकर पकड़ ले. Did ever anyone hear like that? Cried Marilla. You have listened in dumb amazement. Annie Shirley, do you mean to tell me you believe all this stuff? Marilla कहती है कि तुम क्यों ऐसे फालतू चीज़ सब विश्वास. Not believe exactly, faltered Annie. Faltered मैंने hesitated. At last I don't believe in it daylight, but after dark, Marilla, it's different. That's when ghost walk. और वो कहती है कि रात के समय मुझे डर लगता है, वहाँ पर घोस्ट चलते हैं. There are no such things as ghost, Annie. Marilla समझाती है कि कोई घोस्ट करके कुछ चीज़ ही नहीं होता है. Oh, but there are, Marilla, cried Annie eagerly. I know people who have seen them, and they are respected people. Cherry Sholling says that his grandmother saw his grandfather driving home the cows one night after he had been buried for a year. You know, Charlie Showen's grandmother wouldn't tell a story for anything. She's very religious woman. And Mrs. Thomas' father was pursued home. Pursued means to this thing follow. Okay, home. Home, and one night by a lamp of fire with his head cut off, hanging by a strip of skin. He said he knew it was the spirit of the brother and that it was a warning he would die within 9 days. He didn't, but he died 2 years. So वो कहती है इस तरह के एक ग्रैंडमदर ने अपने ग्रैंडफादर को देखा था रात को आते हुए, जबकि उनका मौत बहुत पहले हो चुका था. इस तरह का कहानी वो बोलती है. Annie Shirley interrupted Marilla's firmly. I never want to hear you talking in this fashion again. I have had my doubts about that imagination of yours right along, and if this is going to be the outcome of it, I won't tolerate. और तब Marilla और गुस्सा जाती है, बोले don't talk all this rubbish, okay? Barry, and you will go through the Spurs Grove just for a reason of warning to you, and never let me hear a word out of your head about haunted. और कभी भी मुझे ये haunted woods के विषय में मत बोलो. Annie might plead and cry as she liked and did not. The terror was very real. Her imagination had run away with her, and she held the Spurs Grove in mortal dread after nightfall. But Marilla was inexorable. She marched the shrinking ghost share down to the spring and ordered her to proceed straightway over the bridge and into the dusky retreats of wailing ladies and headless spectres beyond. And मैंने इसका मतलब है कि मैरिला कुछ नहीं सुनती है और उसको बोलती है कि तुम जल्दी जाओ. ओ मैरिला, हाउ कैन यू बी सो क्रूएल, सॉफ्ट एनी. एनी रोने लगी और बोलती है कि तुम कितना क्रूअल हो. वॉट वुड यू लाइक इफ़ अ वाइट थिंग वुड, और तुमको कैसा लगेगा कोई वाइट थिंग आकर मुझे स्नैच करके ले जाएगा. आई विल रिस्क इट, सेड मैरिला अनफीलिंगली. You know, I always mean what I say. I'll cure you of imagining ghost into space. March now. और मैरिला कहती. Annie marched this. She stumbled over the bridge and went shuddering up the horrible dim path beyond. और इस तरह से Annie निकल पड़ी. Annie never forgot the path betraying. Did she repent the license she had given to her imagination? और वो अभी repent कर रही थी. Why did she imagine such horrible things? The gobbles of her fancy lurked in the shadow about her, reaching out her cold fleshless hands to grasp. वही सब वो देख रही थी, कोई उसको एक fleshless hand उसको grasp करने आ रहे थे. Terrified small girl who had called them into being. A white strip of birch tree blowing up from the hollow over the brown floor of the grove made her heart stand still. The long drawn wail of the two old boughs rubbing against each other brought out the perspiration in her face. में वो बहुत घबरा गई थी. वो तरह तरह का चीज़ देख रही थी. उसको लग रहा था कि कोई उससे फॉलो कर रहा है, कोई उससे छू रहा है. The swab of bats in the darkness. Bats देखने से उसको डर लग रहा था अभी. When she reached the William Bell's field, she fled across it as if pursued by an army. और ऐसे दौड़ रही थी, लग रहा था कि कोई आर्मी उसको दौड़ा रहे हैं. And arrived at Barry's kitchen door so out of breath that she could hardly grasp out her request for the apron patter. और वो किसी तरह से Mary's house पहुंच गए and she could not say also anything, और वो किसी तरह से apparently Diana was away so that she had no excuse to linger, और वहाँ पर एक मिनट भी रुकी नहीं. The dreadful return journey had to be faced. Annie went back over it with shut eyes, preferring to take the risk of dashing her brains out among the boughs to that of seeing a white thing. और वो डर रही थी कि मैंने कुछ white thing देखा है. When she finally stumbled over the long bridge and she drew her long shivering breath, इतनी घबरा गई थी, she was perspiring, she was taking long breath. वेल सो नथिंग कॉट यू, तब जाके पहुंच गई वो अपना घर. वहाँ पर मैरीला वॉज स्टैंडिंग वेरी अनसिम्पैथेटिकली. वो पूछी कि कुछ तो हुआ नहीं तुम्हें, कोई पकड़ा नहीं. ओ मैरीला मैरीला चैटर्ड एनी, आई बी कंटेंटेड विथ कॉमन प्लेस आफ्टर दिस. एंड शी सेज दैट हाँ मैं पहुँच गई हूँ, तुम बहुत ये हो, आई विल बी कंटेंटेड विथ कॉमन प्लेस. So children, see the question answers. First you have to write the character sketch of Annie and then Marcella. And the second question, what are some of the stories Annie had heard about ghosts? You see, Annie had heard about driving of cars to the Charlie Schwann's grandfather and dragging of Thomas' father by a lamp of fire. What are some of the stories Annie and Dinah had made up about the haunted wood? That also I have written. And the last is, what is the lesson Marilla wishes to teach Annie? Why is this important lesson for the reader as well? Marilla teaches Annie not to believe in ghosts. It is just the result of our imagination. It is also true for the reader to understand and make them understand the reality and not to believe in superstition. पर हमें believe नहीं करना चाहिए. And children, the rest part of the work of this chapter I am going to give in the PDF. Okay, thank you.